Home stepper. Here we go on. This is a serious thing, you know. You don't know how to sing some gun song and thing because you don't know dub plate and can make a quick money and rate and thing. I have a problem with that, but here I have a problem with. The artists them will big up the gunman them. You see me I say? The artists them will big up the volatile community them in a that way there to make some man feel like say them a do something good. You see me I say? Enough need for stop glorify the gunman them a fucker them a do. Don't make them feel like them a do something good. I don't know that too. You see me I say? Me tired for hearing a big up some wanted man and some Ray and Tate and I call up them name in a song like them a fucking hero. A fuck them a fuck up a country and una help fuck up a country if una make them feel like them a do something good. You see me I say? Cause watch this now. As some man will kill woman and lick a pitney. Them a what? You see me I say every man a sing song about big up killy and gangster and shatter and murderer and hothead and hot skull and all kind of fuckery. You wanna stop big up them pussy hole idiot there. Them wanna nobody in our country. Fuck them and fuck up a country. You see me I say? If you don't want to big up somebody, you not big up the youth them where I go to school, you not big up the youth them where I go to college, you not big up the youth them where I also forget an honest bread, you not big up the youth them where I sell them bag juice and I push them on cart, you not big up the truck driver and the bus driver and the taxi driver them. Zine, we are coming with the people them where I got them 9 to 5 a day time. Oh no big up them people. Oh no big up the man them where I make the road. Oh no big up none of the man them. Yo, what I do? Oh no big up no progressive people, but every day no big up bad man. You see me I say make them feel like them a smarty. You see me I say and them not no love for him or youth, cause here what? It's the same like how them kill that man and that man, them will kill you too. Zane, and the whole away. The whole away are dead, cause the whole away are family we are dead, and the whole away are friend we are dead. You see me I say? To Jamaica small, every youth we dead right here now. Me or you know somebody we know that person. Me or you connected to somebody we connected to somebody we connected to that family. Me I tell you that to Jamaica small. Zane, so when man a walk and a kill people, you know they far from our doorstep, you know. Me I tell you that, you know. You see me I say, them people you know nobody for we are glorify and make them go on like them a do something good. I fuck them a fuck up a country. So look for Mobile now. What do you me drive through Mobile? Everywhere me stop man depon, like them ready for run. Like somebody a come shoot up them. And yeah, that a go on. Man just sit down all a play some domino and man just drive up and kill all 6-7 man. For what? Zane, most of the time these people have nothing to do with badness, nothing to do with no fuckery. You see me I say? You just there at the wrong place at the wrong time. But how can Jamaica be the wrong place? How can we be so unsafe? How a man fear do these things and we are big them up like them and do something good? We're mad? Or some inside terrorists them here, you know? So that come like the terrorists them a bomb American and the American artists them a big them up. Because these people are some inside terrorists. You see me I say? People are dead like rice grain right here now. Zane? People are dead like rice grain. Me not even watch news again. And half of the things we are going to come on news, I can tell you that. Because more time all tree get slapped in my community, I mean, I see that on news. So me know so right across the country, things are going on we never see. Zane, so if what we are see is so disturbing, can you imagine what are going on? Zane, and we are glorify the people and we are do this. Remember, you know, the tourism bring in a lot of money in the country. So when the tourists them see them news about all Montego Bay now, you know how much people now go and come here. And when them people in come here, you know how much people not have no food to eat. You know how much people working at the tourism industry. You know how much hotel, you know how much people them employ. You know how much craft vendor now go sell a craft. You know how much people now go make dead for hungry. So where them people are going to do, them are turn to criminality to some more criminal. And that's how the country go down. And who can run, we are going to run. But what about those who can't, like what Buju say? B, me I talk to Uno as my brothers. As musicians, stop glorify the gunman them. We need to make them know so we not do nothing good. And we not rate what we do. Fuck Ronaldo. Big man thing straight. Lose couple fans because them people wanna big up now buy on the music. Not one of them. The more I come link on with 2 gun and I tell them say, yo, I want 100 pack, you know. The more I come tax, you know. And if we not give them to, we not become a target to. So them are who? What them represent? Who them a defend? What them a fight for? So what? Gunman a kill we, police a kill we. What happened to we around here? And the artists them with the people them love, I big up the man them where I kill them, and I kill them family, and I kill them picnic them, and I kill them baby father them. How much fatherless youth are gonna grow in the society here? What them fatherless youth they are gonna grow with? Be a vengeance and come wickeder than that generation here too. Yo, don't talk, you know. Now beg my artist brother them, stop glorify them pussy hole that we have fuck up a country. If a man want to shoot me, a man can shoot me. I don't feel a gunshot feel already. But listen me, we need our country to come back to a place where people can feel safe. Crime a go on no matter what, but it way out of hand. A fuckery a go on. I tell you that. Zane, stop glorify the gunman them. I don't want to hear about no killy. Because what them a kill for no make no sense. Hold on no for go. That me I tell you now.